In this video, I'll be showing how to hide the strings on your hand-tied wefts. The strings on our hand-tied weft are very important and we don't want to cut them too short. They're actually used to create a top braid with the hand-tied hair and the string together. Avoid cutting these strings too short as they can cause unraveling of the weft. Some ideas to hide your strings can be to fold the weft over. That way your string ends up over here. You can also take your strings and use our weft adhesive to glue your string to the top of the weft. Another way to hide your string is to stitch it in to the top of your weft by just taking your string and following back with your clips to place it. When you go to sew, you'll just sew your string into the top. Thank you so much for watching. For more information, go to babehairextensions.com.